After receiving the payment instruction, the pair can access the payment page by simply copying and pasting the payment link to any browser, or scanning the QR code. First, indicate the relationship with the payment collector, for example, buyer. Then, input your Visa or MasterCard card details, same as any other online purchase checkout procedures. Click Confirm and you will be directed to the one-time password, OTP verification page. You shall receive the OTP with your card-registered mobile number, while this is subject to the settings of the card or card-issuing bank. Input the OTP before it expires and click Confirm. The payment has been completed successfully. Now, the payment is reflected in the collector's GCFX account under the Collection Request. The funds will also be deposited into the balances and will be available to you shortly.